In today's video, we will see how a chauffeur can register themselves directly from the Chauffeur driver app. We will also review the configurations in FMS to control what information is required during registration. First, go to FMS and click on the Settings button at the top. From there, open Tenant Configuration. Scroll down under the General tab, and you will see a chauffeur toggle. By enabling or disabling this, the chauffeur service can be turned on or off in the system. For now, we will enable it and click Save. Next, go to the Driver app section and open the Options tab. Scroll down, and you will see the in-app registration toggle. Turn it on. Once enabled, two additional fields will appear. In the first field, enter the privacy policy URL. This link will be visible in the app. In the second field, set the temporary password expiry time. We will set it to 5 minutes, and click on Save. After that, to configure the registration requirements, expand Settings from the side menu and click on Driver Registration Configurations. The Driver Registration Configurations page will open. Here, you can enable the fields you want to collect during registration. You can also mark them as mandatory if required. Next, configure the required documents. For example, we will add a document. Enter the document name. If it has two sides, enable the toggle to include the back side as well. Then click Add to include the document. You can also configure country identification details if required. Similarly, if you want to add vehicle documents, you can configure them in the same way. After completing all configurations, click Save. Now, let's move to the Chauffeur driver app and register a chauffeur. On the app screen, you will see a Register button because we enabled the in-app registration option from FMS. Click on Register. First, enter the email address. Below, you can see the privacy policy. By clicking on it, you can view the policy that was added in FMS. After entering the email, click Next. An OTP will be sent to the email. Enter the OTP and verify it. Next, the personal information page will appear. Here, the chauffeur will enter all required details such as name, phone number, address, and any other fields configured earlier. After entering the details, click Next. Now, the document upload screen will appear. Here, upload the documents that were configured in FMS. For example, we added a driving license. Upload both front and back images by clicking and taking new pictures. Also, enter the expiry date since it was enabled in the configuration. After completing everything, click the Complete button. The registration will be submitted successfully. Click Done. The chauffeur will now wait for approval from the agent in FMS. Now, let's go to FMS to see how to approve or reject this request. From the side menu, expand Driver and Owner and click on Manage Driver Owner. The page will open. Apply the pending filter to view pending requests. At the top, you will see the chauffeur registration request. Click on Review to open it. All the details entered by the chauffeur during registration will be visible here. You need to assign a taxi business to this chauffeur. You can also make any required changes here. Next, go to the Documents section. For example, the driving license will appear here. Click on it to review the uploaded images. You can also request updates if needed. Based on the information, you can either reject or approve the request. Once the request is approved from FMS, go back to the Chauffeur driver app, where the account was in pending state. To log in, enter the email address. A temporary password will be sent to the same email. Enter the temporary password. Next, a screen will appear to create a new password. Enter and confirm the new password, then create it. Finally, the chauffeur can log in using the same email and password. The account will be active, and the chauffeur will start receiving bookings.